Hey, everybody. I am here with a Patreon update with an exciting new tutorial tool that I have spent a ton of time building for the almost 1,000 tutorials at Splitcoast Stampers. Right now on the Splitcoast Stampers site, you can use the search box to search for keywords in a tutorial. And if you know the tutorial that you're looking for, that's great. And you can find everything really quickly and it's easy to use. However, if you want a more granular sort, I am a spreadsheet person. I love organized lists of things. I love categorizing things. And so I came up with a tool for my Patreon members that will let them get more use out of these 1,000 fantastic tutorials. So let me show you what it looks like. I have this all in a Google Sheet, complete with links, and it's called Weekly Inkling Tutorials. And the master tab where it says all SCS tutorials has literally every tutorial that Splitcoast has ever done. It has the issue number of the Inkling if it appeared in the Inkling. It has a major focus as well as a category, which is like a sub-focus, the author, the tutorial category, either normal or holiday blitz, and whether or not it has a video. If you hover over the link, you'll see a little preview of the tutorial, which is a nice feature of Google Sheets. And all of the dates that these tutorials were published appear down the side. I've also given each tutorial a master number. That's really more for me than for you, but you can use it as a reference if you'd like. On the second tab, I just listed the tutorials in alphabetical order. This way you can look through them for things you're looking for. Then I added tabs for some of our more popular categories like boxes, bags, treat containers. We have tons of these tutorials. Any kind of box you could imagine, lots of punchboard stuff. Then I have a coloring tab with a bunch of different coloring tutorials. There's a gel printing tab. There's a general techniques tab, which has a ton of tutorials in it. These are basically background tutorials, medium tutorials, paint, ink, different things that you can do with stamps. This is a fantastic resource. Then probably our second most popular category is interactive cards and folds. We have lots and lots of fancy folds in those tutorials, and it's nice to have them all in one place. Very fun. Then the next tab is origami, because we do have some really beautiful origami tutorials. And then I have a pop-up section because these pop-up tutorials are things that you can do without specialized dies, etc., and they're very fun to use. So this is available on one of my Patreon tiers along with all of my lives, which is almost 600, I think, lives, all categorized in a very similar way with links to videos. So I know that it can be difficult on YouTube to just go out and search for something you want to do with your stamps or your dies. And both of these databases give you a much more targeted way for you to select a particular technique that you want to try with supplies you already have. So head over to my Patreon to access this tool, and thanks so much for watching.